Shegun. Oh, thank God. The Liverpool Norwich game is about to start. The first Premier League game of the season. Shegun. I'm so happy. Let's see what Liverpool can do. Let's see what Liverpool can do. Can't you hear me calling your name? Why is he calling my name at this moment? Why is he calling my name at this moment? Now that I'm enjoying the game. What's this boy doing? What's this Shegun of a boy doing? He just keep calling me. I don't care. Why is he not answering me? Don't disturb me. I'm watching the game. I'm watching my game. What's this guy doing? I'm gonna beat him today. Shegun, what are you doing? Hey. Daddy, I'm just watching the Liverpool game. Liverpool Norwich. Yeah, this is the beginning of the Premier League. You know, I have to watch it. This is the beginning of the Premier League. Daddy. So you didn't hear me calling your name all this while?
You don't know why it's going on.
A few moments later.
Wait. Oh, I see. So because the Premier League just started now, that means when your dad calls you, you're not going to answer to your dad. Abi? Yes. Premier League just started. I pity you. I pity you.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Goal! 1-0, yes! I knew it! And Liverpool, they're back! I knew it! I knew it! Go!
You don't know why it's going on.
Let's go. That's the first goal. Let's go. This is just like the beginning of the Premier League, and Liverpool are already dismantling teams already. Norwich. Sorry, Sorry, Norwich. Wait, so Liverpool is beating Norwich like this? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So 3-0 in less than 30 minutes. They are beating them. That's what I'm talking about, Daddy. Can't you see it? You see! Hey, wait, don't they know how to play ball at all? You see! Yes! They should come and take my son and so you will teach them how to play ball, how to play soccer. Because it's so obvious that they don't know what they are doing. You can teach them now.
Eventually.
You can teach Norwich how to play. Why is Liverpool flogging Norwich like this? Liverpool, This is too much now.
A few moments later.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Wait, Shegun. Oh yes, Daddy. Before we even continue, have you finished reading the chemistry pages I told you to read yesterday? Daddy, I'm halfway into it.
What?
Halfway. Yeah. See this idiot. You've gone halfway. Don't worry, your punishment will go more than halfway. You know how it is now. These players that you're watching, you think if they did not listen to their parents, right? You think if they did not listen to what their parents told them, you think they will get to where they are today? You think they will be making millions because you think I don't know that they're making millions every week? You are here watching their game. Instead of you to be reading your chemistry, you had an F9 last semester. You are making me hot.
Jesus!
You had an F9 last semester in chemistry and you're here watching Liverpool. I had the F9 last semester in chemistry. We already know that.
What?
I had the F9. But that doesn't mean I'm going to have the F9 this semester now. Let me just enjoy the game. Let me just enjoy Liverpool. This is like the first match of the season. Premier League just started. Let me enjoy my weekend now. Go.
You will end up in McDonald's.
I'm going to close my eyes now. By the time I count to 3 and you are still there and my eyes are opened.
You don't know why it's going on.
You know what will happen to you. 1, 2, 3. You are still there.
Hey! I hear me, take me, back me.
Daddy, I am not going anywhere. I'm not going to my room now. I have to finish watching this game before I can go anywhere. This game is too good for me to leave it like that. So I don't know all this one. I don't know.
Apostle, we hear of this. Jesus
My
is
friend,
Lord.
I'm gonna read your chemistry. Idiot. Most decorated gorillized goatish baboon.
Jesus!
Get leave me alone. Slap.
You don't know about it. You don't know it.
What do I do? Idiot. I don't know. I'm trying to stop me first. This man is so wicked. So wicked. Because I'll just kill myself. I'll just kill myself. I'll kill myself, yo. Kill myself, and so all this rubbish will stop. This is the first Premier League game of the season, and this man is stopping from watching the game. What type of rubbish is that? Just because you're an African man doesn't mean you can be treating your son like that. Kill him! I'll fucking kill myself.
Criminal. It can take your money eventually.
What did you say you want to do? Putting this to my head. I'm putting this to my head. You want to kill yourself? I'm about to kill myself. I'm about to kill myself.
Apostle, we hear of this.
No, go ahead and kill yourself. So you're not gonna say anything about it. You're not gonna show any compassion or nothing. I'm waiting. Do it. No, do it. So I just told you I'm about to kill myself and you're not saying anything. You're not saying anything.
You don't know why it's going on.
Or you want me to do it for you? No, are you waiting for me to do it for you? Because I can help you out.
You will end up in McDonald's.
And kill yourself now, idiot. Because I know you will not do it. I'm just waiting for your stupid self to just look stupid like you always do.
Jesus!
Have you forgotten that we're Africans? So you will tell me, Daddy, I want to kill myself, and so I'll now start saying, so you expect me to say, son, don't kill yourself. You know I love you. I love you. Love kill you there. No, kill yourself now, idiot. I never had a father to actually live with me. Not to talk of paying my school fees and everything. You have a loving father and everything. You say, I want to kill myself. Kill yourself now, idiot. It's not only to be thankful that you have parents that are with you, living in the same house with you. I had a father, not to talk of someone to stay with me. I did everything on my own. They say, I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself. Idiot. You most decorated goatish gorillized baboon. Do I even have any other names
Jesus!
to add to it? Because you are more than, you deserve more than that name. Idiotic, idiot, stupidity, idiot.
You will move out. You will move out of this house. Jesus is Lord.
You've gone halfway. You've gone halfway. So you think? No. Just look at where you were looking before. 1, 2, 3, go. Go! Another goal! Damn! Liverpool, they are trash. What? Liverpool is already trashy. They're already whooping teams.